Welcome back. Problem number 136. You are given an array where every number appears twice. Expect for one number that appears only once. Your goal is to find this single number. It's a pretty straightforward problem. There is multiple ways to solve this problem, and I guess I would like to go through all of them, but like for each video I will put one solution. In this video we will do like some sort of bit manipulation. So we will use like an XOR operation to solve this problem, and what it means by using XOR operation. Okay, so there is something called XOR. So if it will be something like that, like results will equals, I will put this sign and num. What does this mean? Okay, so this is called XOR properties. Like XOR properties has something like if it's a number was XOR'd with itself, like A XOR'd with A again, the result will be 0. So a number when XOR'd itself with it will cancel out to 0. If a number is XOR'd to any to 0, for example, or to any number with 0, it will remain unchanged. So we have A. So since we have here numbers, like each number it's appeared twice, that means if we use this algorithm, all the numbers that equal each other, they will cancel each other. And the only number that doesn't have anything in common with any other number, it will remain. Okay. It will be pretty simple solution, only 3 lines of code. So we create a result variable, which will equal 0. And I'll create a for loop. It will be like let num of nums. And it will be like result XOR'd, where's the equals to num, and we return result. Let's submit and run the code and see. Okay, it did work. Okay, let's try to understand it again. The algorithm must it's running here in of n. We need to also, and this algorithm also use of on extra space. And the approach we use XOR, which means exclusive OR, bitwise operation, to solve this efficiently. And as I said before, if we have here, if we have like A, it was XOR'd with A, it will be the result will be 0. So if a number is XOR'd with itself, it will cancel out to be 0. If A was XOR'd with like 0, for example, it will remain untouched. So we say we have A. So any number XOR'd with 0, it will remain untouched. XOR is a competitive and associative, meaning the order of operation doesn't matter at all. And yeah, this is how it works. It's a pretty simple solution, only like 4 lines of code, and yeah, that's it. There is other solutions like using like 2 pointers, using math. There is using other things, and I believe it's pretty important to go through all of them. So yeah, that's it for this video, and see you in future videos.